Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video I'll be showing you the ways to create a new account on Bybit. So to create a new account on Bybit, you have to follow the steps. First of all, gonna make sure to install the application on your device, and when you're done installing it, go ahead and press the open button and then open up the application, which is going to look something like this. Now here, press the sign up button and you can start creating your account. So type in your email address that you wish to register with and create a password at the same time according to the mentioned criteria below. Press the sign up button. Now you just have to go and fill out this CAPTCHA. And moving on to the next step, you have to verify your email address. So a verification code is going to be sent through an email, which you have to go ahead and enter in that. And when you have actually received it, then you can just go ahead and paste it right on this field. So as you can see, this is the particular one. After you're done completing the verification process, then you'll be taken to the page where you have to go ahead and verify your identity. So to verify your identity, all you have to do is just provide in your government's ID or maybe state ID or a passport, and you have to go and take a clear picture of it and submit the file. They'll notify within a couple of days that whether your account has been successfully created or that your account has not been created because of some verification issues. So that is how you can create a new account on Bybit. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.